Hello everyone, welcome to InfoBytes. Today we are going to see how two numbers are swapped without using third variable. It can be done in three ways. First is by using addition and subtraction, second is by using XOR operator, and third is by using the built-in function. So first we'll see how two numbers are swapped using addition and subtraction. Let us consider a number that is a is equal to, let's say, 20, b is equal to, let's say, minus 66. Here we are going to swap by using addition and subtraction. So a is equal to a minus b, b is equal to a plus b, again a is equal to b minus a. Now we'll print the value of a and b. Value of a is the value of b is, let's run the code. See, our first initialized number a is equal to 20, b is equal to minus 66. After swapping, a is equal to minus 66 and b is 20. This was by using addition and subtraction. Now we'll see by using XOR operator. By using XOR operator. So for a, b and again a, we'll use a XOR b simultaneously. A is equal to a XOR b, again b is equal to a XOR b, again a is equal to a XOR b. Run the code. See, the number has been swapped. This was by using XOR operator. And the last is by using the built-in function. It is very easy. There is a swap keyword, swap a comma b. It will swap the value stored in a and b. See, the value of a is minus 66 and value of b is 20. It has been swapped. Thank you very much.